In today's video, I'll teach you how to return an item on Temu. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in temu.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Temu. Make sure you're logged into your account. So in order to return an item, first of all, you'll have to go to the orders interface. For that, hover over this option, orders and account. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At first, you'll be able to find this option for your orders. What you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your orders interface. You'll be able to see all the orders that you've placed over here. So if you want to return an item, what you have to do is simply find the order with the item you want to return. After you do that, what you have to do is simply click on the option return or refund. After that, you'll have to confirm that you have received the package. You might be asked few questions. Simply answer those questions. After you do that, simply select the item that you would like to return and also specify the reason for the return. Now after you do that, you'll have to get your return label. After confirming the return information, you'll be prompted to print the return label. You can find the label by going to your orders and then simply clicking on this option for returns. Now in the returns interface, you'll be able to find the return label. What you have to do is print and securely tape the label to the outside of your return package. After you do that, you'll have to ship the package, mail the package from the nearest location of the carrier specified on your label. The first return for every order is free, so you won't be charged for shipping on your initial return. After you do that, you'll be able to receive your fund. Once Temu receives and checks the returned items, they will process your refund. You can choose to receive the refund as a Temu credit or back to your original payment method. So like this, you'll be able to return an item. So that is how you return an item on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.